Hi everyone, I'm Rees from Newindu Construction and Engineering Machinery. I'm now located in the SHACMAN factory, and behind me is SHACMAN 8x4 8 cubic meter concrete mixer. And now let me introduce the details of this concrete mixer. It equips with 314 horsepower Weichai engine, and the engine horsepower is optional from 300 to 414 horsepower. And also, for different countries, SHACMAN provides different emission standard engines from Euro 2 to Euro 4. Now, let's take a look at the interior. The SHACMAN cab is equipped with air conditioning and multimedia system, airbag shock absorbing seats, and single bed and standard to ensure the driver's safety, comfort, and driving convenience. SHACMAN use hand axle and fast gearbox. They are world famous brand and has very good performance in harsh conditions. And now let's check some details. Input system, output system, our truck frame, and mixing tank, and water system, and hydraulic driving system. If you are interested, please subscribe our channel and contact with us for more details. I'm Rees, and thanks very much for your watching. See you next time. Bye bye.